Hi everyone!
Hello.
Welcome to the channel.
We are off today on a road trip down to the south coast where we are going to visit the Lewes Bonfire night celebrations, and we're going to bring you with us.
First of all, we're going to stop in Lincoln because it's quite a long drive. How long is it? Like 6 hours?
5.5, 6,
Like
yeah.
that? Yeah, it's like 5.5, 6 hours, which is just far too much. So we're going to stop in Lincoln for the night. So we're going to bring you along to Lincoln. We're staying in this quite cute little hotel.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be cute. I think
We'll see when
the
we get there.
website says that they're renovating currently, and it looks a bit old-fashioned. But the rooms that they have done have been really cute. So
We'll show you it when we get there. So we're heading down to Lincoln for a night and then onwards down to the south coast. For those who don't know, we're based in Newcastle, so it's quite a trek.
Hello. Sean has just gone to the bin. He's gone over there. Over there. We've arrived at the hotel, so I thought I'd give you a little room tour, just see what it looks like. We're staying at a hotel called Charlotte House, and it's just outside the castle walls, which is quite good. So I'll give you a little tour. So you come in the door, and we've got this lovely little corridor here with a window that goes to you can't see it properly, but it's like a little restaurant area, and that's where we have breakfast in the morning. On the left we've got a living room, which is really exciting. TV, tea and coffee, which we've already had some, and a lovely little sofa. And we head round here, wardrobe in there, and this is the bedroom area. Loads of windows, loads of light. We'll love to see. And yeah, you can see this is the castle here, and everything is on the other side of the castle, so we've basically just got to walk around the castle. So this is the bathroom. We've got a nice big shower on the left and a huge sink, absolutely huge sink. You could fit 6 people in here. And weird mirror, very weird mirror. There seems to be mirrors in very strange places. And we have this light switch that we have no idea what it does. It's not doing anything in there. It's not doing anything around here. It's really going to irritate us. But we've literally looked everywhere and it doesn't do anything. Oh. What's happening? Someone's car alarm's going off. Oh. Oh well, interesting. Yeah, also the extractor fan. You turn the light off. Can you hear that? It's like a hairdryer. It's literally like a hairdryer, isn't it? It sounds like someone's constantly got a hairdryer on. And there is no way to turn it off other than to turn the light off, which is going to be great when you're having a shower. Hey! We're at the cathedral. Not shout because there's people in front of us. So it's day 2. We have been to Lincoln and now we're going to go down to a place called Hellingley. Although we've been told it's called Hellingley, not Hellingley. Sean, we just stopped at the services. Sean's looking at planes, like right there. So we're right next to the airport. So before we went to Lewes for the bonfire celebrations, we had a few hours to kill, so we decided to get the train into the lovely beach village / town of Eastbourne for the day.
So Eastbourne's a lovely little town on the south coast of England. Nice promenade walk here, and a really good air show in the summer. But obviously we just had time to kill, so we just went for a quick wander along the coastline, sat on the pier and listened to the seagulls. So here we are at the Lewes Bonfire night. It is the biggest one in the UK, been going since 1795, according to Google. And it is the collaboration of, it's, I believe, the 5 bonfire societies within Lewes, and then all of the regional bonfire societies in Sussex alone, that all do massive parades and processions, obviously as you've seen on the screen now, all in costume, all carrying fire, and it's just a weirdly good night.
So this year, about 40,000 people attended the event, and that's not including the people in the parades either. And each society has their own bonfire and their own fireworks. So as you can imagine, Lewes gets very, very busy around this time of year. It's definitely something that I would say
It's definitely something you'd want to want. So every society does its own little piece to mark remembrance. So here is one of them.
after the main parades were finished, we went down to the Waterloo Bonfire site. Every year, every society has their own effigy which they burn. Theirs this year was the post office scandal, so you can see Postman Pat being wheeled across the screen. He was then filled with fireworks and explosives, and they blew him up. They also had effigies of Big Ben and Guy Fawkes, which were part of the fireworks display.
After Postman Pat was suitably in place and rigged with explosives, it was time to light the fire.